guys, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Today I have some like blind surprises. And yeah, I'll show you guys what they are. I have this Snacko Series 2 blind ball. These are what you can get. And then I have a rubber duck ball. I have 2 of those. I'm just gonna let you guys know, I'm so thankful for if this video gets views, likes, comments, follows. I'm beyond grateful. So let's get into this. Sorry about that, guys. I just had to grab it. So I think we're gonna go with these ducks first. These are always so hard to open. I have a feeling this is gonna be the pink one, pinkish red one. I'm gonna close my eyes. What color is it? That is super cute. It's a little like teal aqua and glitter with silver chrome. Super cute, super cute. Back. Now we're gonna open the second one. I hope I get this all silver one. Let's open it. What is it? Oh, this one is really cute. It's actually green, but I like this one more. Not saying this one's ugly, but I like this one more. These are the ducks we got. Quack, 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 quack. Very, very pretty. Now we're gonna put them back. There's this, just like this. Now we're opening this one. I don't know if I said it already, but the Stitch is the special edition, and I really want the Stitch. I really want this one. I don't know if there is one, but if there's a Hello Kitty one, I want the Hello Kitty one, or I want this one. Let's open it up. Okay, they're in blind box. Let's see what we can get. Okay, we're gonna start on this side. For Toy Story, we can get Bonnie, Annie, Wheezy, Mr. Prickle Pants, RC Controller, or Stretch. Those are what they look like from the Toy Story. I would want the girl or Andy. From this one, there's these ones. This one, I would want this one or this one. There's all different kinds, okay? Or I would want that princess one. Oh, whoa, I got them. These are the packages look like. There's 2. I'll let you guys see first. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. What's the name? I gotta find it. Okay. Her name is Raya. Check that one off. I don't think I have a pen or a pencil, but that's okay. Then there's this one. Oh, that one's cool. What's the name? Vanapelia? I don't know, but it's this one. And it's rare. So these are the ones we got. Super cute. Now, guys. Okay, guys, I'm trying to open this one. This one's the Snackles. Perfect grip. I can see like a cow print. Can you guys see that? Like right there, right there, right there. I think we got this one. Oh, let me tell you which one I really want. Hold on. Give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up. I think we got this one, but I really want that one, so I hope we did. Or this one, or this one, or this one. Let's open it up. Which one is it, guys? That's so cute. And then there's this. This is so cute. It's Boba. And actually, it's a little Boba. Oh, I'm actually happy I got this one. I actually love it. Let's open up this little surprise thing it came with. Ooh. Kung Fu Tea, a Snackle sticker, I got this one, Bonnie, and these are all of them that you can get. And I'm so happy I got this one. It's time to show you guys everything I got and all of these surprise things. That is all we got. My favorite is definitely this one. This one is super duper cute. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video to all of your friends that love blind bags and blind balls. And yeah, let me know if you guys want me to give away any of these 4 things, ducks and these, because I really love the cow thing. And yeah, let me know if you guys want any of this stuff. And yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Comment, like, share to your best friend. And yeah, bye guys.